What is mental health?
The first annual Global Youth Summit on Mental Health.
It's very special that our summit will culminate in a youth-led report authored by 6 young people from Brazil, Greece, and South Africa.
Find a young person who you can teach.
Nothing about us without us.
None inspires more than the ideas and opinions of young people.
We need to teach empathy, because with empathy comes solidarity.
The importance of the summit lies not only in its timing, but also in the diversity of the voices it brings together.
So if you are a young person, start implementing your ideas and start by your school, your neighborhood, and then out there in the world.
The challenge in front of us is biggest.
All 5 references to young people are in relation to mental health.
It was a small program, but we're growing it to impact more people, to help them develop their voices.
We are now, we are the present, and we need to be on the places.
It's been a delight. Thank you so much.
Uniting all our voices, we can bring the change.
The Global Summit on Youth Mental Health marks a historic moment for those who work with promotion of mental health and well-being.